All right, people. I'm sorry I didn't show you from the start, but what would I say? I have a video coming out on the fish, so it will be uploaded very soon. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's the fried fish. Look what's going on. It's on the coal, cooking right now. This is not a normal thing going on right here. Wow. So you can see we're still here. It's getting that beautiful, crispy, amazing color on the other side. I will show you part 2 when I upload it. Look at that beautiful sun, guys. That is amazing. And that's what's going on right over there. So what she's doing right now, she's gonna turn the fish, you know.